Hello everyone,
Guys,
it's time for harvesting my beets. So I'm here again guys, my garden to harvest my vegetable. I have banana pepper, bell pepper and jalapeno, and then I pick some tomato as well.
guys.
So I have a lot. Look guys, and the tomato is not good anymore. And then I have this some cabbage, cucumber. See that one guys? I have a lot of banana paper. Bye.